have bought a few extra pieces, like an extra 6 or 7 pieces. But we're gonna use this extra wood to build a patio chair to match the patio daybed. Just to use it, to get it out of the way. Plus we'll have an extra chair, so we'll make a little chair, kind of fancy, kind of not fancy, but we'll get a chair built, and then we'll stain it, find some cushions for it. It seems to be the hardest part these days, is finding cushions that aren't going to break the bank. So let's get this thing made.
You guys know how much I love me some pocket holes. Of course, if I'm building something else, I had to add some pocket holes. I mean, it's the easiest way to hold something together. Plus, I mean, I guess in my defense, I feel like they're the right thing to use. I don't want to look at screws and whatnot going through the end grain. It's just gonna split it. So honestly, pocket holes were the best thing to use here. But I just love these things. On this build, I did realize that my drill bit was kind of skipping on all the screws, and I was trying to put them in. Not sure what was going on there, but I finally did get it figured out. After editing this video and watching it 3-4 times, I feel like there was an easier way for me to get this chair together, and some parts I can tell I was struggling when I could have just kind of did it this way or that way, but I guess hindsight is 20/20 or something like that, however that saying goes. So there was definitely some ways I could have did things different.
All right, this is the frame after some fighting with this wood and my drill bit. Got the frame. Now we just need to put all the support pieces in there, make it look pretty, sand it down a wee bit, and slap some stain on it, put a cushion on it, and then sit my butt in it and enjoy it. I'm using this little piece down here to make sure I get these flush with the top. This is the bottom, obviously, so once you flip it over, they'll be flush.
I probably use 2 boxes of these square screws in here to hold everything together. I use 4 screws per little slat right here for the bottom of the chair, as well as the arms of the chair.
Alright, only thing left after getting everything cut to size yesterday, my chop saw broke literally on like the last piece. So I fumbled through the last piece. Now we need a new chop saw, so if anybody wants to donate one, I'm here. We'll get these secured on here, and I won't bore you guys with the rest of it, with the sanding. That's all that's left, sanding and just picking a color for this thing. So let's just get these installed and get this thing finished. This is nice already, and we're gonna have probably a 4 to 6 inch cushion up here. So that'll raise you up another few inches because you're gonna sink into the cushion. And these armrests are already at a decent height. I could sit here comfortably. So with the cushion up here, it'll be nice. So this is it. Just some old pine 2x4s from Lowe's, and you can build some decent patio furniture if you really want to. Don't have to be anything crazy.